Hopefully that should be a bit more balanced now as we head into Aquas. We're heading for Aquas. Report in. Alright, so this one's going to be a challenge. See, I'm playing this on the Virtual Console, the Wii release.
Check out the bioweapon.
And I have it going through composite cables into a HD converter. So it's running to an HDMI video upscaler, which I got hoping that it would work for Melee. Oh, what the hell. That's not what I meant to do at all. It's kind of hard to see in the dark. I think I've always had that problem with this level.
I'm sending the data to you guys. Shoot a torpedo to help you see. Looks like the pollution has started.
There's something I can bounce off of to get some extra hit points. I think there is some ground surface I can hit, but I'm just looking like an idiot slowing down and hitting whatever. Yeah, it is dark.
Wow! Look at that! It's beautiful! How's the Blue Marine, Fox?
It's a good thing you prepared, Flip. This thing will never hold together.
I thought at least the base of the column would do that. My bad. My fish friend that only wanted to give me light and stuff. Damn it. I did find a fun strategy for beating the boss last time. Just mash. Just mash. Yeah. This is a powerful little tank. Underwater tank. Submarine, I mean.
Look out behind you!
What about the shit in front of me? That's pretty important too.
Keep shooting! We've got lots of torpedoes!
You're the best, Flippy.
Thanks,
Let me slaughter all these innocent sea creatures.
This thing will never hold together.
Let's hold together. Basically is this game though, just kind of mash your way through. I don't know, I love it.
I got a bad feeling about this, Fox.
I've always liked this game. But it was one of the few games that we actually owned and didn't have to rent back in the day, so. There's fish that get in your way.
I found the bioweapon.
Please don't be an ugly clam thing with one eye. Please don't be an ugly clam thing with one eye. Are you an ugly clam thing with one eye? Oh, you're an ugly clam thing with one eye. That's not good. Alright. Alright, come on. I got
Enemy
this.
shield analyzed.
Aim for the 2 columns.
Not yet. just A and B furiously at the same time. Just
Yeah, yeah!
run. Yep. That is
You
all
did
you
it!
got to do, baby. That's all you got to do. Yes. You got to hit A and B at the same damn
We're preparing
time.
to dock. Thanks, Flip. Blue Marine came through. Flip is not such a screw-up after all.
Thanks a lot, Peppy.
I'll take the sky any day.
Sheesh, Falco. You too.
Alright. Oh wow, my team's at full health. Or is that just as a result of not having to fight on Aquas?